So how can you use a different browser on the iPad? Let's cover the whole process. Let's get started. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss videos like this one. Of course, Safari is the main browser. So in order to get another one, open up your App Store on the iPad and you can literally just type in a web browser into the search. But the most common results or the best browsers include the Google Chrome, the Firefox. Of course, there's the Opera. There is the some like specific, less known browsers. There is the Microsoft Edge. But the point is that once you have them installed on your iPad, you can just open up the app, start looking up websites and browsing the internet. But there's one last thing which you should probably take a look at, because when you go to your settings app of the iPad, check out the apps at the bottom and go to Safari. You'll be able to find the default browser app and you'll be able to switch to a different one, right? So you get to pick like a main browser of your iPad. So by default, it's likely going to be Safari, but if you want to switch it to something else, just choose that browser instead. What it does is that whenever you receive a link or whenever you click on some like a web page or something, it has to know which browser you want to use by default. And this is the whole point of this page, right? So you get to pick which is the main browser, and it doesn't have to be the one from Safari. So if you're making a switch, perhaps you also want to change the default one in here as well. So that would be about it from me. Let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and most definitely stay tuned by subscribing so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.